Opportunities, setting up contacts. In this module, we cover how to add new contacts, both one by one and via bulk import, and organize them using tags and custom fields. You'll learn to import a CSV of contacts, tag contacts for segmentation, and ensure your contacts sync into your pipelines and automations. This sets the foundation for all your CRM activities. To add a single contact, navigate to the Contacts section in Integrity Connect. Click the Add Contact button. In the form, enter at least the basics like name, email, and phone. You can also fill any additional fields or notes. Press Save, and the new contact will be created in your CRM. This is handy for adding one person at a time, for example, a phone inquiry or a walk-in client. If you have a list of contacts, you can bulk import them to save time. Prepare a CSV file with column headers, name, email, phone, etc. In Contacts, look for an Import or Import Contacts option. Select your CSV file and upload it. Integrity Connect will prompt you to map the columns. Once mapped, start the import. The system will create contacts for each row in the file. You'll get a report of how many were added. Tip: ensure your CSV has no errors. The email or phone columns shouldn't be blank, etc., to avoid import issues. Tags are labels you can apply to contacts to categorize them, like VIP, newsletter subscriber, lead, etc. After adding, importing contacts, apply tags to group them. You can tag contacts individually, open a contact, add a tag, or in bulk. Select multiple contacts and choose a Add Tag bulk action. For example, after an import, you might tag all those contacts as Imported October 2025 or Trade Show Leads to remember where they came from. Later, you can filter or send campaigns to contacts by tag. Tags make it easy to segment your audience without duplicate lists. Every business might track unique info, for example, account ID, favorite product, or birthday. In Settings, Custom Fields, create any new field you need. Choose text, date, dropdown, etc. These custom fields will then appear on contact records. You can fill them in when adding/editing a contact or even import data into them by including them as columns in your CSV. Using custom fields ensures you capture all relevant information about a contact in an organized way. Once contacts are in Integrity Connect, they will be available to use in opportunities, pipelines, and automations without extra work. For example, if you imported 100 leads and tagged them, you could create an automation trigger like contact tag added equals trade show leads to start a follow-up workflow for those contacts. Or you can add those contacts into a pipeline stage to track as deals. Any updates to a contact, like changing their email or adding a tag, are reflected globally. So the contact's info is consistent whether you see it on their profile, in a pipeline card, or in an automation. This means your data only needs to be entered once. As you continue using Integrity Connect, keep your contacts up to date. Merge duplicates if you accidentally add someone twice. Use bulk actions for maintenance. For instance, if a batch of contacts needs a new tag or to be marked as inactive, you can select all and update at once. Regularly exporting your contacts list as a backup CSV export is a good practice too. With contacts properly set up and organized, all your other CRM features, campaigns, pipelines, etc., will run smoothly, targeting the right people with the right info.